Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. This is the case of a patient having who had a health problem while he consulted me. And this is the this is the Leo ascendant chart. Venus is placed in the ascendant itself. And when I analyzed this chart, and I concluded that the native is facing a problem uh, in the urinary system and in the internal sexual system. His internal sexual organs are facing problems, and majorly it was prostate problem, and urine infection was also there, but the main issue was of the prostate. And sun is placed nicely placed in the second house, one of the best houses. Mars is nicely placed, but Mars is in conjunction with the sun, and it's in combustion. Now here again I'll explain this. The sun is in conjunction with Mars, but sun is benefic planet in this case, and it does not weaken Mars to such an extent. Mars is degree wise strong, but sun is combust, it becomes weak. 50% it becomes weak, but it gains additional strength by being placed in the sun like house. So this is a nice house. Mercury is placed in the third house, is again a very good placement. And no of the placement, neither no planet in this chart is placed in the 6th, 12th or 8th house. So this is the unique point in this chart, that the placement of the planets is quite appreciable. Well placed planets, all the planets are well placed. Rahu, Ketu, they are well placed, but Rahu is debilitated, Ketu is debilitated. So it has some meaning in it has some meaning in this it has some meaning in medical astrology, because Rahu, Ketu, they play an important role in medical astrology. And so far as the problem of prostate are concerned, few planets they are taken into consideration. One is the first planet, that is the uh, ascendant itself. Ascendant lord should be strong in order to defend the problems, health problems, in order to face the health issues, defend the health issues. Ascendant lord should be strong. Now the ascendant lord is in the second house. The second house lord is the second house is Virgo in this case, and Mercury becomes the lord of both Saturn and Mercury becomes the lord of Sun and Mars in this case, and Mercury is placed in the third house, and the third house lord becomes the Venus, and Venus is placed in the ascendant lord. So there is a connection between second, third, and ascendant. So these four planets, Venus, Mars, and Sun, Mercury, they are quite related in this case. There is an interlinkage between these four planets, and that is creating problem for the native. That is a puzzle in this case. So whereas the strength of Venus is concerned, Venus is nicely placed. Venus is having a good strength degree wise, and Mercury is in infancy, although Mercury is gaining additional strength because it's placed in a sun-like house, and here the planet gains additional strength. And so far as the urinary system is concerned, 7th house is taken into consideration, 8th house is taken into consideration, and few planets also are taken into consideration. And Jupiter will also play a role in so far as the internal sexual organs are concerned. Jupiter also plays an important role in this case, and Jupiter is strong. Ketu is debilitated, that's a problem for this native, and Rahu is debilitated, that is medically also a problem. And the native is currently in the main period of Mars, and facing problems due to Mars. And but so far as the prostate issue is concerned, that's not due to Mars, because Mars, we can't say that prostate is due to Mars, because Mars rules especially external sexual organs, scrotum. We have scrotum in this, we have urethra, because they are external sexual organs. So far as the internal sexual organs are concerned, they are represented, and they are analyzed using the implications of different planets in the chart. So the native was advised to strengthen few planets that are having major role in this chart, that are a reason for weakness of Mars, for weakness of Sun. And so far as the ascendant lord is concerned, ascendant lord is strong. There is no need to strengthen the ascendant lord in itself. So this is all about this chart. We have been seeing that there was much problem being faced by the native, but when the remedies of strengthening the main planets and charities for the uh, moon, Rahu and Ketu, they were also recommended. And after doing the charities, the native is now okay. His prostate problem is over. He no more faces prostate, and he enjoys his healthy life. And this is all about the case. Thank you.